our reaction to Eddie Rabbit, and we're going to react to the song I Love a Rainy Night. Actually, I do it too. I like it too.
I love rainy days, I love rainy nights, I love everything about the rain.
Yeah.
So I'm looking forward to listen to this song. Let's get started with this request. Eddie Rabbit.
Well, I love a rainy night, I love a rainy night. I love to hear the thunder, watch the lightning when it lights up the sky. You know it makes me feel good. Well, I love a rainy night, it's such a beautiful sight. I love to feel the rain on my face, taste the rain on my lips. In the moonlight shadows, showers wash all my cares away. I wake up to a sunny day, 'cause I love a rainy night. Yeah, I love a rainy night. Well, I love a rainy night. Well, I love a rainy night. Ooh, ooh. Well, I love a rainy night. I love a rainy night. I love to hear the thunder, watch the lightning when it lights up the sky. You know it makes me feel good. Well, I love a rainy night, it's such a beautiful sight. I love to feel the rain on my face, taste the rain on my lips. In the moonlight shadows, puts a song in this heart of mine, puts a smile on my face every time. 'Cause I love a rainy night. Yeah, I love a rainy night. Ooh, I love a rainy night. Well, I love a rainy night. Ooh, ooh. Showers wash all my cares away. I wake up to a sunny day, 'cause I love a rainy night. Yeah, I love a rainy night. Well, I love a rainy night. I love a rainy night. Well, I love a rainy night. You can see it in my eyes. Yeah, I love a rainy night. Well, it makes me high. Ooh, I love a rainy night. You know I do. Yeah, yeah, I love a rainy night. Well, I love a rainy night. You can see it in my eyes. I love a rainy night. Well, it makes me high. Well, I love a rainy night. And I love you too. Yeah, I love a rainy night. Well, I love a rainy night. Well, I love a rainy night. I love a rainy night. I love a rainy night.
Wow.
I love rainy nights too. I love the song, but definitely there was need for more lines, unique lines, more substance. Would definitely make this song more memorable in my humble opinion. But I still like it. I still like it because I love rainy nights so much. But definitely too repetitive. Just 6 to 8 lines and then repeat it till the end. It sounded good though. The water on the lips, him describing the sounds of the thunder, the lightning, seeing the lighting, everything sounded good.
I liked it. I definitely liked it. This could drench the desires of my music. It had enough rain for me. It was a good rain song. It was definitely a good celebrating the rain song, like a song. I know it could have had much more added to the experience of it. There was his partner too. He said, "I love you too, but I love the rainy night." So it was his struggle between the two, I guess, and we could have been told about that too, maybe. But I like the way the guitar picks up. I like the way he sings. I like that actual feel into the song, that actual emotion of enjoying the rain was put.
Yeah, the starting verse, which of course most of it was repeated later on, is his description of the rainy night, and that was beautiful.
And the way he sings it, you feel it as if actually he's enjoying the rain, and it makes you enjoy it too. This is a great song for rain.
Yeah, that's it for this request. Thank you.